When you close up your house, whether for the day or for the season, what do you open yourself up to? The summer days can be oppressively warm and uncomfortable, trapping hot air in your house and attic that can be slow and expensive to cool with air conditioning. In the winter, when you keep your home closed up, you seal in stale air full of unhealthy pollutants, allergens, and odors. So how do you keep the air in your home comfortable and fresh all year long? Solatube, the company known for bringing natural outside elements indoors, offers the perfect solution, the Solatube Whole House Fan. It quickly cools your house by pushing out the hot, stale air and pulling in cool, clean air to refresh your entire home in minutes. Instead of recirculating air, as with air conditioning, you'll replace it with fresh air, over and over. Just flick it on when the outside air is cooler than the inside air. It will immediately reduce not only the temperature of the air in your house, but also its structure, which keeps the house cooler for longer periods of time and helps dramatically reduce air conditioning costs. During the winter months, the Solatube Whole House Fan still goes to work, using short bursts of airflow to eliminate stale, dirty air and remove odors, creating a healthier home for you and your family. The innovative engineering of Solatube Whole House Fans delivers advanced features for plenty of power. They come in configurations to accommodate any size house and provide the flexibility to cover all the zones within it. And its intelligently designed fan and ducting provide whisper-quiet operation. So make running a whole house fan part of your daily routine and start enjoying cool, clean, fresh air in your home all day and all year.